So welcome back. The previous where we have in that profile creation. So the here almost done. So let's see here. I will explain those things. No need to hover. So the profile we need to like this circle. So now that's why I am taking the width and border radius is 50 above the border here 5 pixels solid and box shade is so like this way. So RGB. So here red, green, and also the blue. And see here the contraction is the A is that submitting font 4 and so like that way the border radius should look like a coming like this way. The margin bottom some maintain the space 20 pixel and coming to the next over the profile over. So when I over this profile, so the transparency scale is the some time. So transition 0.5 seconds it will be transfer that scale. So the brightness will be changed. So next I need need better so we can apply. So here the profile pick active. The transform is also what will happen. So let's check one by one what will happen in here. Thus that much styles. So here after the applying the styles, what will happen? So this is the transparency, applying transition, applying 0.5 seconds. When I hover on that profile, okay, that's looking good. So next go for uh, profile activity is okay. Next the H3. So here the heading is the H3 font 30 pixel and weight is the 600. So the margin, what will happen? Let's check. See here, let's check H3 what will happen. So after refreshing, so our heading tag, the color and the font size. So weight is the how is looking showing good. So next coming to that P tag. So P tag is not showing look like this heading tag. So I need to say applying that styles. So it's automatically default coming. The color same color, same font size. Font size is less, but then that heading. So the font weight is the 400. Font weight means the bold color. Bold means thick. It will appear in thick text. Appearing the thick the text color. Okay, text color. So here, so that's why we can maintain that p tags of the same styles and so after that properties we can maintain the what I have pending, some icons, social media icons, so which I need to maintain that images. Yes, it's a good flex direction center alignment under content. So after that what will happen, the social media image. So the media icons is center game and so it's game or not. Let's check media icons center game, but there is no maintain some padding and for every image. So I will applying that every image social media icons where I taken here. So here taken a new social media div for a new div and apply social media class. So in that where I have defined that class for that the social media icons. So those styles will be applying which I had here given for that. So this is the styles will be all images. Social media icons will come center and so the social media icons every image. So already social media icons class is there. So in that inside images is there. So image tag taken. So I was applying the styles, width and 40 pixel width, every width of the icon, and margin of the logo, maintain height 0, and width is the 10 pixels. So next cursor pointer, and transition is the 0.5 seconds. So let's go for the run that code. What will happen? The transitions. So it's looking good, and here also transition. Here transition is applying 0.5 seconds. So icon will be changing. Point cursor icon. Here is arrow showing. When I hover on that icon, the icon will changing like as a pointer. So it means showing symbol, hand symbol. So next go for that. What I have required? Anything else? No need. Maximum over is what can I handle this? In that over of the media image icons, so transactions. Okay. Scale is the transform the scale width to height is the 1.2, and also transition seconds. When I hover, so how many seconds it will transitions apply? 0.5 seconds. So after the refreshing that browser, so so how is here over that profile will look like here also hover social media. Okay, transition scale 1.2 transition. So everything we should over that. It's good for everyone. So this is the styles we like this way we can apply. So is there any more styles is there? So then automatically coming. So now it's active. So in this active of that image, what will happen? Let's check. So coming to this transition scale, when I active this, so what will happen? Let's check. The styles will be active. Image active styles is applying. Okay. So actively, so that social all images logos is actively applying. So next coming to the I have what is the missing point here? What I have missing point needed here. So coming to the here in this code profile, some missing profile code. This is the profile code, and the padding is okay, but background color is not showing. Why does not showing? So the background color is text now. No, not text. You can change that to Yash. What is that? FF456 A is coming right. So what will happen? Let's check. Now our padding will be visible. How much the padding at the top and on the right sides. Okay, yes, we got it. All things. Yes. It's look like this our target or not? What is the difference between this and this? We are better style. We are better over styles applying than this. Our task. Okay. Not a problem. The border is applied extra here, and over styles applying here. Next, so assist profile pic image. What is this? Where is this tag? Assist profile something is wrong. Learner profile heading tag missed the text. I mistakenly append that things. So next coming to um, the front end is correct and logos is correct. So we can check and we can take the new tab for the is it look like for our actual or not. Next, what's going on? Yes, yes, as it is. This is our actual task, and that is where we achieve the aim or not. Yes, maximum approximately not maximum fulfilled all those things. So our target is now. So is there any sizes maintained here? No need, no need, no need, no need. So this is the look like actual our task. We are achieving our task. So next finally, mm, so like this way you can follow everything the code we can make every profile what you have required where we have put the your code. So easily you can get your output. So like this. So when we have the applying this style, so we can apply. So what I had is so previously what I had the code. What is the so I will explain some I some property I have missed in this code. So I need to check what I have mistake happen. So how much time it will take the time for opening? Come fast, come fast. I have no time. Please come fast. Okay, okay, okay. How much time opening this Visual Studio Code? So go back to our actual code. Okay, finally we are achieving that code. So this is the how does the create that profile for yourself by using that HTML and CSS. So what I have listed, but here not responding my browser of that Visual Studio Code. Why should not opening this Visual Studio Code? I couldn't understand. So when I hit open, but the sound making. So by the way, from fast to open is the worst responding. Okay, not a worry about these things. So maximum fulfill the our tax. So finally, what I have. So everything here I was applied. Close. So this. Okay, this is that's it. So if you need to check the everything, what is the display content and display flags, what is the display items, what display flags and align items and justify content, and also width, height, cursor, border and margin, border shadows and transition and transform difference between these two things. How is it? What is the active and hover? What is the difference between those things? The image. So finally, all things if you know that, then finally you are achieve any output results. So coming to the okay. So I am prolongating these talks. No need. Maximum I am fumbling, but don't care these things. So first try to understand. So we give me support for the making more videos. So thank you. Bye bye. Sorry. So please subscribe and share. Bye bye. Thank you once again.